So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to delete Pokemon Go account permanently. It's step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically in Pokemon Go you have the option to delete your Pokemon Go account permanently if you choose to quit your Pokemon Go journey. But remember that you won't be able to recover your account after this. So basically to just delete your Pokemon Go account is just open the in-game settings in Pokemon. So here you'll find your settings. As you can see, you have your music, account, general notifications, AR uploads, and advanced settings. So we're gonna select advanced settings right here. And as you can see here, you have the option to refresh your game data. Remember last used Pokeball, native refresh rate, download all assets. So I'll just have to do that later too. So here you have the option to delete your account. So here, once you have the press that, you can start delete your account. Once you confirm the account deletion, this action cannot be undone. So all you have to do is press continue, then Niantic will send an email to the account owner, which will basically send a deletion code and reply to their email with the provided code to the complete account removal process. So once I press continue here, this will send an email to my account and then it will give me a code to officially delete my Pokemon Go account permanently. And that's how you delete your Pokemon Go account permanently. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.